children's rights. So, attention please. Children's rights, Valentina Tarasik.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to present my speech, and it's about children rights, and children protection and violence. As you know, 10 years ago, population in the world was bigger, and today is decreasing. Following statistics, Asian and some Asian, China and South countries are increasing the population. Other countries have very big problems with children. Today we know that many children were killed and disappeared, and we don't know exactly what happened. So politicians and special services, military service, police services, making researches about what happened and why we have such a bad situation with children. In Ukraine, orphanage houses are full with orphans. We can't find enough families for children who became orphanage because of many reasons. One of these was mentioned here. It was alcohol problem, and many parents deprived were licensed their parents' rights because they couldn't anymore take care of their children. Children were sent to orphanage house because parents became druggers or alcoholics, or they got alcoholic dependency. So today we all have to think how to protect the children, because so many children do not have enough education and enough attention from their parents, as parents are working all the day. Others, they lost parents because of accidents, alcohol and drugs problems. And we know that there is also internet problems, and a lot of violence happens through internet. We know all so nice programs, so nice many nice possibilities to contact each other through Facebook, or contact through and any other programs which help us to connect. But very often we cannot explain. We can't really protect our children to do not go to the pages which show pornography and other very special things like that. As for example, if a child would like go to a movie with friends, there is movie for children. There is movie for adult people, and it's written that people under 16 years old cannot get to this kind of movie. But about internet, there is no any laws like that. And our children, they look all the sites they want to, and nobody can control it. Another very serious problem is that your child can get different messages from unknown people which write, "I'm with John, I'm 16 years old and would like to meet you at 22 o'clock and that cafe. Let's meet, I will come with my friends, you know me, we were corresponding now about 1 or 2 months. I would like to meet you now in this cafe, 22 o'clock. And sometimes there are meetings like that, and after that, children disappear, and nobody could find where they actually what happened. So now mass media, Council of Europe and the European Commission, they try to create special programs to speak about it through TV news, through newspapers, and try to attract your people attention about such kind of problems. That we have to be aware that in the internet many sites and many messages are not protected, and we can be always involved in some discussions or in some meetings which are not desirable for children and adolescents. So this is the main ideas which are concerning children's rights. So where we have to pay attention what child can do, what we can allow him, and what is realistic and what we don't advise him or her to do. And I think we have to be careful and read and write more maybe articles about these stories, who has information, to see how we can protect young people from such bad situations. Thank you very much.